Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. We have one more test we need to do with our Putty-Knife knife, and it is the Flint and steel test. If you remember how we started this series, I was in the garage showing you how that putty knife would cast sparks. That's what we're going to see. Just like a subscriber asked me, will it still throw sparks? There's a possibility that I could have softened this metal enough to where it will not cast any sparks. Let's just see. Now it's going to be a lot harder to hold it because I don't have the width of that putty knife, and I have to consider that this edge is very, very sharp. So don't do this at home. I'll tell you, charcloth in half to expose a bunch of threads. Put it up on top of the shirt. And it's not laying down just right like that, so I'll flip it 180 degrees. And now it is laying down on there a little bit better. Good. Let's take this outside. And it burned out on me, but there's more where that came from. Maybe we can ignite this quicker than the last one. Okay. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.